Dear Senior Management Team of Foodstuffs South Island, my name is Will. Thank you for taking your time watching this video. In this video, I would like to take the opportunities to show you my working experiences, educational background, and my personal qualities. Hopefully, you would like to hire me and offer me a marketing position after watching this video. First, I would like to show you my working experiences with foodstuffs. I worked as a chill and frozen supervisor at Trent's Obel Street, and I'm currently working as a duty manager at New World St. Martin's. These positions have provided me a good grounding of the fast-moving consumer goods industry. I have also gained a great understanding of the leadership skills and customer relationship management. Next, I want to show you my educational background. I graduated from Lincoln 6 years ago with a commerce degree, and in order to promote my future career, I'm currently studying Master of Business at Lincoln. I thoroughly enjoyed and excelled in my master's study. My GPA is 8.3 on a 9-point scale. I believe this shows that I have a good time management skills, which allows me to balance my study and part-time work. I also believe this shows that I have a good understanding of the marketing and management theory. Along with my working experiences and my theoretical knowledges, I believe my personal qualities will also enable me to work successfully in your team. I have a great attention to detail, and I also possess integrity and work ethic. My interest has always been achieving high-quality tasks during work. As mentioned at the beginning of the video, my goal is to secure a marketing job in our company. And I believe my 6 years working experiences in the industry and my proven leadership skills will allow me to support your team immediately. Finally, I want to thank you again for taking your time watching this video. And please don't forget, better hire Will.